Hello guys, welcome back to Glorious Media. This is Basav here with another new video, and today I'm going to be talking about the upcoming times of 2021 to 2030. So, would you like to experience and fast forward from here where you need to be because the technology is going to change? So, with the post-COVID times, there have been a massive change in which people look at their careers. The point is that everyone has started experiencing a different path to their careers when they started realizing that post-COVID times, their jobs and their businesses methods have changed because the sales weren't increasing though, and because with the shift in that more and more people have come online. And because more and more people have come online, they have started to decide to become content creators and also run their businesses online and adapting to the new way of doing their own business. And this is really a good news. So, when you come online, there are many things that we need to take care of. And the best part is that when you people coming online and adapting to the new technological methods, you need to understand that this is going to be the new you and the new way of living now post-COVID times, when you see that there is a sudden and massive change in which people are flowing their careers to and which they are building their careers again from scratch. And this is really going to help you to really showcase yourself in a more different way and a more different light. So, well, for those of you who are content creators, this video is for you because I am going to show you in this video the upcoming trends which are going to take place from 2021 to 2030. And this is going to change the complete way of how we look at the things which are going to happen in this new decade, which is really a very aspiring change for new people who are content creators as well as the people who are adapting to the new way of doing businesses. So let's see what is there and what's going to happen here with the upcoming times. For you, new goals have to be set. New goals which really describe that you need to be having a really new goal to really set for yourself to build your own careers, because as you start out with the journey of online, the path is not going to be as easy as you think it is, but it is really exciting to learn new ways and new methods of adapting to it, and that's the only way in which you can create and make a huge amount of money which you are looking forward to in your careers. And by creating a new business of yours when you come online is going to give you a massive boost in your own path of passion, goals and a lot of things that you want to achieve. So what is the first thing that we need to remember? New niches will be developed. In a way, if you see that people are having their own kind of mindset, people see things in their own ways, people have their own methods of pursuing their own careers. And when their talent really comes online, when they actually put into the picture the real fact that they will be creating their own kind of niche online. New niche means that when you create your own kind of ideas of generating your own kind of work and the content that you do, you will be needing a kind of path to choose by narrowing down a particular step which is going to help you to understand that this path is going to then create and eventually become the kind of new genre developed by you, and this is going to be the methods which you have to follow. These are the list of the niches which are on the screen above. When you develop your own niche, you need to remember one thing for sure, that it's something you are good at. You need to realize that when you come out with your own kind of niche which you have chosen in a particular field or industry, that's the point of time that your product will be representing that particular niche, and it has to be really connected with that kind of product and that field itself, which will be increasing the amount of work for you and the kind of content which you will be putting out for your audiences and for the kind of customers that you want to really have. And this is the kind of idea which you need to keep in mind when you look at these niches. Choose one for yourself and decide that which is the most narrow point that you can come up with. Do a good research on that and decide that how you're going to create a good strategy to run and create the kind of content which you want to make for attracting your followers and for getting your own audience. The next thing to remember is that people have to understand that a person coming from a new culture, for example, if you are coming from a different background of a good regional locality, and if you speak a particular language which others in that niche knowing that what to create and they really do not have something which was already being built there, you need to decide that you need to really choose a language which will really help you to then create your content in that particular language or in that particular idea which you have in your mind, and really make content on that language basis itself. What will happen when you do this? This will create a kind of attraction from the kind of those kind of audiences who are coming and representing from that particular kind of culture, who speak that language, who live in that way, who know that the culture really well. And when you decide that you want to really make a language base with your own particular niche, the kind of product or service that you are selling in that particular language, the chances of you getting more and more audience and more people starts growing more and more. So this is going to really take place, and this is the fundamentals of knowing when you come out with the upcoming trends in this decade. Well, these two, the niche and the language, will really make the kind of fundamentals and the basic things to create your own content and the kind of things which you want to also pursue your career as. So when you come online, you also have to remember one thing, that when you decide to launch your own product, launch your own, if you have a skill in a particular industry and if you think that you are really good at it, then you need to keep these two things in mind, that is the niche and the language that you come out with. And this will do one of the most easiest task for you, that you need to just stick to it, create it, strategize it, and make the kind of content to engage your audience with. And this will do most of the work. In the coming of new decade and the coming of new technology, the kinds of marketing and the kind of digital marketing which is going to take place and changed by these technological factors, which you need to adapt to really right now, there is a chance for you to create a good and a massive growth for yourself, for your own career and your own business. So everyone is going to adapt to new softwares which are going to take place in this decade. The kinds of methods of making new kinds of different technological factors and building of new machine learning with new kinds of platforms which are going to now come in this new decade are going to bring and create another idea on another level, which is going to change the fact that you also need to adapt to this very fact of the new softwares which are going to come. And for that, you also need to create those kind of content similarly like that. So, with the coming of 5G, the 5th generation in this decade, what's going to happen is that people are really going to get a very super high speed 5G spectrum speed with faster downloading, faster connection, faster networking with more people. And this will enable more softwares to create those kind of ideas where you also will have to adapt a little bit quicker bit getting adapted faster by learning these things which are going to take place. Recently, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg has recently said that he is going to launch a virtual chatting system which is going to be more enhanced than what it looks right now, and the video quality in which you are talking with your friend is going to be in 4K or 8K quality, and also being the 5G spectrum coming in the picture is going to be more enhanced, in which you are going to be talking to your friend. For example, if you are in India and you have a friend in Australia, if you are video calling him right now, the pixel quality of the video calling is not as great as it seems right now with the kind of 4G. But with the coming of new technological changes in the new phones which are going to come, which are adapting to the 5G spectrum, the virtual chatting is going to be very much easier and better, and going to be very much user friendly when you are chatting with your friend from here in India to Australia, where your friend is watching a cricket match, and you will be able to see really that wow, such good clarity when you're video calling him, that this is going to enhance the more better way of looking at the world. The gap of social network that people are really having right now is going to change, where you can see that how, of course, the basics of networking are going to be the same, where you connect with your friends, you stay in touch with them through different kinds of messengers, different kind of chat groups, different video callings, and different ways. But the the new social network is going to be much more different than what it seems right now, and it's going to be giving you a new kind of virtual reality taking place where everything is going to look much more differently, and it's going to take place in a much better way. With those of you who are coming online and getting into this digital new technological world, get one thing for sure, that this new decade is going to be completely paperless, where the technology is going to completely change the idea that once paper used to exist, keeping in mind that these factors of paperless world will actually make everyone to realize the importance of the digital asset that's going to be created. And this digital asset basically makes you connected more by you bringing out those kind of content which people are really going to be depend on completely, and the new payment methods, new connection with your friends, new content consumption, creation is all going to change in this new decade. So be aware that what changes are going to happen, and I hope you take this digital marketing course seriously, because you need to understand that this is going to create a very big impact on the kind of changes which are going to take place in the upcoming times. With Elon Musk has developed the new methods of artificial intelligence, Neuralink, and all the other things which is of completely virtual reality. The new methods of virtual reality has already begun, and in this decade it's going to completely change the idea in which we look at it. And this shouldn't be a big challenge for us to adapt to the new virtual reality which is going to take place, because really in this decade things are really going to go virtually more enhanced and more better for usage. So we also need to adapt and learn that how these new methods of virtual reality takes place, and what we can also do to create those kind of changes in us to create those kind of methods. With the new kinds of entertainment taking place now, the more entertainment purposes will be the mobile phones. Forget the mobile phones that you were using earlier in the 4G times right now. This is going to be a new world where you will be watching yourself, that the whole new method of being entertainment is watching in the screens like eyeglasses, where the whole virtual reality will take place, like how Facebook has created its own Oculus to get entertained and play games. This is going to be the new you, where you will be watching TVs, getting entertained, watching content just by voice speaking to the artificial intelligence to your device, by telling it to just scroll down, watch, and just open that page just in a span of eyeglasses. And this is going to create a new kind of method where the entertainment is going to be much more different than what we watch at TVs at home. And this is going to really be very exciting for the new technology being taking place, where everything will be virtual and it will really look like it's 4D world. Wow. And this is really something very excited to come and look forward to. Well, internet is not going to be the new innovation. With the coming of new digital age which has come, there is going to be now the new virtual age. The virtual age is in trend, and it's going to get you the idea that everything is going to get more and more virtual over a period of time. And you will be watching yourself that the cars you drive is going to be run. You just have to sit in your car, and you can just give directions to your car, and it will watch everything through machines. The times have come where everything, the content that you create will also, the new methods will be that everything will be virtual reality. Cars will be driving through artificial intelligence. Mobile phones will be through artificial intelligence. Everything will be becoming through voice modulated, where everything, whatever you speak, gets done instantly in a flick of a second. And then the machines that you use on a daily basis starts to get used by this artificial intelligence. Well, this is just an assumption, and you can think that this virtual reality is going to be the new age where we have to adapt to the new technology. Well, as the internet is not the only new innovation, the kind of data that we content creators or what we have put online, our information, personal information, has to be really protected. With the kinds of new technology taking place, there is also a question regarding the fact that we also have to capture and keep at place the data which has been really have to be in protection, and the companies of huge big giants like Google, YouTube, Facebook have to keep in mind that they really have to protect the kind of data that their customers are, or their people who are connecting online, because this is going to be the new challenge, because there are huge base of customers online for on these social networking websites, and they really have to make sure that they protect the kind of personal data which is there. And there also have to be a regulatory system which will make sure that they are getting protected through. The new businesses that are going to come also have to create their own data protection, where everything that new softwares have to be developed for this data kind of protection, and these kind of protections will also help the people to understand the security factor of the data that they are creating, and this is going to be in huge numbers. So creating these kind of softwares is going to take place. There was a time when the new computers were launched into the world where it became important for us to adapt from typewriters to learning MS Word, and now it's the time for artificial intelligence and data learning. So when you see things with that perspective, also learning social media has become important. So after digital learning and social media, it's now going to be the artificial intelligence of everyone knowing one thing for sure. And I would urge you to learn this fact that in the coming years, this is going to change the complete idea of how we look at the world right now. So everything coming online, and we have to adapt to this new change. Why not adapt it right now by starting to learn the basics of it, that how everyone have to learn how to create their own stores online, have to learn how to build a website, have to learn where they need to really be knowing how to create their own content online, and this is going to be the real new change that they have to take place. So adapting is one of the most important things when it comes to this. With the new AI coming in the picture and everything becoming more artificial intelligence and virtual reality, and the kind of things are going to become more voice friendly, people have to also remember one thing, that they also have to create their content in a similar manner and adapt to the new and the good quality of videos and the images that they create by adapting to new softwares and adapting the new methods which are going to take place. I am not saying that we have to run right now to start doing it, but eventually it's the most important thing to know that these changes are going to take place and will take place, and we have to adapt to it over a period of time. So it's better that we understand the importance of it right now and start doing it. So what you need to do with this new technological change which is going to take place? Well, you need to change your mindset. You need to completely change your idea that really these things are going to take place. So we also need to adapt and start learning and adapt to this new method where everything is going to be a virtual reality. And with this virtual reality, you will be able to do business in a more easier way, and everyone will be needing to make their own startups online and have to absolutely come online and see their growth more and more from there itself. So learning how to create your own store online, creating your own website is going to really become completely very basic. Creating content is also going to be very fundamental on the fact that you have to know how to create your own images, because over a period of time, the cost of creating content is going to be very expensive for most of you who are not knowing how it really is. You will be needing to come out with your own content and promote it. Learning to create your own content marketing and really coming up with your own kind of content to come online is a chance for you to come online. Learning content marketing and knowing that to create your own content, having your own data, is the power of changing the new world which is going to take place. And I'm sure that once you start learning, this is going to be one of the biggest digital assets that you have ever created. So know one thing for sure, so if you have understood with the things that I have shown you in this video, you will understand for sure that really the times are going to change. You really need to change, adapt, and also have to make changes with your mindset, your strategies, your research, and the new way of how the things are going to be. And if you understand this thing very well, I'm sure you're going to be one of the first creators of this virtual reality and become super successful in that. Well, I always believe in learning new things first, practicing them practicing them and then making it a part of my life. And this I would urge you to do as well for your own careers right now, because this is going to be the really new change. And if you can see foresight, this is going to really change the world that it's going to be. So adapting to these changes is the gift that we have got a chance to change, and this new method of realizing earlier than it really has, it will help us to really become that future leaders of the market, which really no one has ever thought it can be. I would urge you to become one of those learning content creators, adapting to the new technology and the new methods, and this will enhance and simplify things for you. Well, learning is not very expensive. You can see it's just online. You just have to go and search for it. Get yourself induced in the courses, learn it, practice it, and then make the change in your life. So I'm sure this video has helped you. If you have liked the video, please do comment below and subscribe to my channel if you have not. I'll see you in the next videos.